How to change your password recovery options on Gmail PC. Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to change your password recovery options easy and fast. So all what you have to do is go to Gmail. As you can see right here, this is the home page. Go to the top and click on settings. Now click on see all settings option and it will take you to this page. Now go to the fourth option in the top, click on accounts and import. After you click on it, it will take you to this page. Now here you will find change account settings and here is the change password recovery options. Click on it and you will be able to change your password recovery options in less than 1 minute. If this video was helpful, please don't forget to like and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching until the end. See you later.